We've got a brand new 2026 Prolite Cool that we're going to be showing off today, and it's always an exciting one to show off because Prolites are made right here in Canada, and they are ultra lightweight travel trailers designed for cars, vans, and SUVs. This particular model, the 2026 Cool, comes in at under 1,050 pounds dry weight. It is perfect for a compact car, and you can still have up to 4 adults on the inside as well. It's got lots of nice features to show off, firstly here on the outside, because we've done a couple of upgrades. Cools typically don't come with this front window. We are a big fan of the front window and all the natural light it brings into this floor plan, so we always add, not always, but we often add that front window to this Cool model. Walking around this side here, you'll see these brand new decals they have for the 2026 models. The older version just used to have a blue little badge here saying Cool across it. Now it's a little bit more of a testament to the outdoor travel you can do. You've got a nice little mountain range and lake view there too. One change they made in 2025, which they've kept doing with the 2026s because it was popular across all of the Prolite owners, was they've got this upgraded height here. So they've got the axles flipped so you have a little bit more room here, so you're not going to be bottoming out when you've got a smaller trailer and a smaller car towing it. Walking around the rear, you're going to have a tiny little compartment there where you can stow a couple of things, but it also gives you access to some of your maintenance that you need to do with this trailer at the end of the season. You've got more windows wrapping around the rear here. And stepping past this, on this side here, yet another window. Windows are great because they let lots of natural light into this trailer. 2026 have a very light, bright wallpaper, which makes it look clean and modern, but the windows are even better because on the inside, you're gonna have 100% block out blinds. So although they look dark on this side, they're just tinted here to give you some privacy, help regulate the temperature on the inside, but you do have 100% block out blinds on the inside, which I'll show off. Another little upgrade that we've done here, nothing too notable, but we've added a step here too. Some of the newer 2026s don't come with that step. We like that step, nice and easy to get into the trailer. Now opening up this trailer here, we'll step onto the inside and you'll see this Cool is a great, nice and simple floor plan. First of all, if you're just a couple, you're gonna have a dinette here that you can have your meals at. You can sit down, have coffee, play some cards, or just be away from the rain to chat. Especially nice because you've got that front window, let all that light into this trailer. However, if you are a group of 4, you've got more rooms for sleeping here too. So if you're just a couple, you can leave this dinette set up all the time so you never have any setup and takedown. And you've got this nice couch area back here, which this area lifts and pulls out, and you're gonna have your bed. So a lot of couples love this Cool because you can just leave that bed set up all the time. You can leave the dinette set up all the time, and you are good to go right when you arrive. On the other hand, if you've got 4 people, you can have this pulled out as a bed, and this dinette can also convert to an extra sleeping area. So this table is going to drop down, it's going to sit on these rails here, these cushions will come across. Now you've got a small, ultra lightweight trailer that can still fit 4 people. Another part that I like about this trailer is these tabletop areas. So right now you're going to notice it's holding the box for the Max fan that's installed in this Cool. It's also got some of your goodies here, so you can have your run flat tire kit if you need to. You've got a couple of accessories, your power cord, you've got your fire extinguisher, and you also have a moonshade for this trailer. So it's a super easy to set up awning on the outside rather than having the bagged awning installed on the side. You can stow this off to the side, put it out, and set it up. You have a nice little outdoor area. But the point I'm trying to get at here is you've got these convertible table areas. So right now that's holding all of those extra goodies, but these fold away too. So if you just want more room in your trailer, you can just fold these down and they're right up pretty much recessed into the wall. Same with this side here. You've got a super convenient table right by the door. So if you don't want to trek your muddy boots through this trailer just to grab a quick drink of water, if you want to grab your keys, wallet, sunglasses, you can leave it right at the door. But if you're not wanting it at all, you can easily fold this table away. As I've alluded to already, this is a very easy to set up bed. I might as well do it now one-handed. You just pull that out. You've got these cushions here. It feels like in the new 2026s too, they've changed the fabric as well as the material on the inside, and they are very comfortable cushions to work with. And just as easy as that, you have a bed set up, and a nice large bed at that. I mentioned it on the exterior, but we'll show it off here on the side. Also one-handed, easy to do. You've got fully magnetic blinds here, so those easily set up there, and you can roll them down. 100% block out blinds for some privacy, and if you like sleeping in the dark, this is gonna get that done for you. There is too much to show off in one video, and the quality of these 2026 Prolites is something you can really only see in person. So if you want to see everything else this Cool has to offer, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.